The Indian Coast Guard ship Anmol, while undertaking routine surveillance operations in the northern Bay of Bengal on 16 December, has apprehended 2 Bangladeshi fishing boats along with 35 crew members for engaging in illegal fishing activities inside India's exclusive economic zone. The arrests were made for violation of maritime zones of India under Regulation of Fishing by Foreign Vessels Act 1981. The presence of active fishing gear and approximately 500 kilograms of fish catch clearly indicates ongoing fishing operations inside Indian waters. The apprehended boats and crew were taken into custody by the Indian Coast Guard and subsequently handed over to the Marine Police, Fraserganj, on 17 December for further legal proceedings in accordance with the applicable laws. This apprehension underscores the Indian Coast Guard's steadfast commitment to safeguarding India's maritime interests, preventing illegal fishing, and ensuring the safety and security of Indian fishermen operating in the region. Over the last 3 months, the Indian Coast Guard has apprehended 8 Bangladeshi fishing boats with 170 crew members for similar violations. Indian Coast Guard continues to maintain a robust presence in India's maritime zones, enforcing maritime law and promoting responsible and lawful use of the seas. Recently, a diplomatic row has erupted between India and Bangladesh after a rise in anti-India rhetoric in the neighboring country. Amid this, India summoned the Bangladeshi High Commissioner in Delhi on Wednesday, 17 December, over recent threats to the security of the Indian mission in Dhaka. The development comes in the wake of provocative remarks against India by some Bangladeshi politicians. Ties between New Delhi and Dhaka have been strained since the ouster of former Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina last August. Earlier this week, National Citizen Party leader Hasnat Abdullah made hostile remarks against India, threatening to isolate the Seven Sisters, India's northeastern states, and providing refuge to northeast separatists if Bangladesh is destabilized. Amid threats to Indian mission in Dhaka, New Delhi summoned Bangladesh High Commissioner M. Riaz Hamidullah. Thanks for watching National Defense. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.